Will you help me look for numbers? Great! Let's start in the bedroom. Do you see the number 1 anywhere? Where is it? Here it is! It's the number 1. Let's put the number 1 in the puzzle. Where does the number 1 go? How about here? No. What about here? Yes! Number 1. Now take a look at this shape. It's a red square. Where should we put the square? How about here? A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. Now help me find 1 purple ring. Do you see any purple rings? Aha! Here it is. 1 purple ring. Now let's look for the number 2. Here it is. It's the number 2. Let's find a home for the number 2. Where do you think it goes? How about right here, next to the number 1? Number 2. Now take a look at this shape. It's an orange circle. Where do you think we should put it? Here! Good job! Now help me find 2 pink rings. Do you see 2 pink rings? Here they are. Count with me. 1, 2. Help me find the number 3. What's this here? Oh, look! It's the number 3. Time to find a home for the number 3. Number 3 goes right here, next to the number 2. And take a look up here. We have a yellow shape. It's a yellow triangle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 equal sides. Good job. Now help me find 3 orange rings. Do you see them? Aha! Here they are. Help me count. 1, 2, 3 orange rings. Now we need to find the number 4. I think I see something right here. It's the number 4. Where should we put the number 4? How about over here? No. What about right here, next to the number 3? That's right, number 4. And take a look up here. We have a green star. A green star goes right here. Now it's time to find 4 blue rings. Do you see 4 blue rings anywhere? Here's blue. Now let's see if there's 4 of them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue rings. I think we found all the numbers in the bedroom. Now let's go to the bathroom. Do you see any numbers in here? I see something back here. Let's see what it is. It's the number 5. Where should we put the number 5? How about right here, next to the number 4? 5. Good job! Now take a look up here. It's a green shape. This shape is called the hexagon. A hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Now it's time to find 5 dark blue rings. Do you see dark blue anywhere? Aha, here it is. Let's see if there's 5 of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. No more numbers upstairs. Let's go downstairs. In the living room, help me find the number 6. Do you see it? Here it is. It's a green number 6. Now we need to put back the number 6. Number 6 goes right here, next to the number 5. And take a look up here. We have a blue plus sign. A blue plus sign goes right here. Now it's time to find 6 green rings. Do you see any green rings? You do? Here they are. Good job. Now let's see if there's 6 of them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green rings. Help me find the number 7. What's this back here? Oh, here's a number. It's the number 7. Here's the number 7. Number 7 goes right here, next to the number 6. 7. And take a look up here. It's a blue minus sign. Now it's time to find 7 dark green rings. Do you see dark green anywhere? Aha! Here they are. Now count with me to see if there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Okay, I think we found all the numbers in the living room. Now let's go to the kitchen. Help me find the number 8. Do you see it? Here it is. It's the number 8. Where should we put the number 8? How about here? No. Over here, next to the number 7. Good job. And let's take a look up here. Here we have an orange multiplication sign. Good job. Now help me find yellow rings. Do you see yellow? I see yellow. Now help me count them. I wonder how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow rings. Next, we need to look for the number 9. What's this under the stool here? It's the number 9. Here's the number 9. Where should we put it? Here or here? Here, next to the number 8. Up here, we have a purple division sign that goes right in here. Now, let's look for dark orange rings. Aha! Here's dark orange. Let's count and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dark orange rings. We have one more missing number. Do you see it? I think I do too. Here it is. It's the number 10. And here's the number 10. It's our last missing number. Number 10. And take a look up here. It's a purple greater than sign. Good job. Now help me find red rings. Do you see them? I do. Here they are. Help me count them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red rings. Good job counting today. You're a great learner.